What is up, guys? It's me, Mr.AppleGeek, right here, and well, it's been a long time since I've seen you guys, but I have good news. iOS 8.1 Untitled Jailbreak is out by Pangu. As you can see, it is the program that I'm running right now. So in this video, I decided that I'll teach you guys how to jailbreak. Although in this process of jailbreaking, it's kind of funky, so if you guys want to do it, go ahead, but bear with me doing it too. Now this was released, I believe, 3 or 4 days ago, or 2, I'm not sure, either one of those 3. But the reason they didn't do it because you couldn't get Cydia, so you would get your jailbreak, but you wouldn't get the application Cydia. So now that they took out Cydia, it's gonna be easier for me than done it with 2 separate videos. But either way, guys, let's just jump right in. So as I said, this is a funky process, so let's just go with it, guys. So right here, as you can see, I'm running the new Pangu Untethered Jailbreak program, and well, all you just want to do is how it is, although I recommend you guys checking off this block since it is a Chinese distributor. So yeah, guys, so uncheck this box as I would do. So then what you want to do is click this blue box right here to let the jailbreak process begin. So as you can see, it's already starting with the progress bar, and you just want to wait right here and all this movement. Now it is recommended that you do refresh your story, but I didn't do it just for the case of this video. So yeah, so as you can see, a bunch of numbers moving. Just let it do its thing. So I'll leave this the video running so you could guys see approximately how much it takes for all of this process. So as you guys could also see, it says that the loading process bar, it's at 2.6. So you guys could just watch over that. And it should be moving forward as it is right now. As you can see, it says restore in progress. It's completely fine. Just leave it how it is. It will not restart back to its original things. Just leave it how it is, guys. So now, as you see, it says that it's 4th of a 6th complete. So you just wanna sit back and just wait. As you can see, nothing happened, but it will reboot your iDevice. As you can see, the little loading circle thingy turned off the device, and it should turn on right now with the Apple logo as it is right now. as you heard the little thing sign. You see like a little progress bar on the Apple logo. This is how it is, guys. And we are almost done with the jailbreak. As you can see, the progress bar from the Pangu jailbreak. Just sit back, as I said, guys, and wait. You have to have patience for this. Now, the progress bar on the iPhone 5 was taken off, and my phone vibrated right now, which meaning that it is back on. So it resprung or rebooted, whatever you want to call it. So you guys can see. Now, after all of this, what you want to do, now, as you can see, guys, it is rebooting again, and the Pangu jailbreak is done. So you just want to let the phone, your iPhone, your iPod, whatever you want, or you're jailbreaking in, you just want to let it reboot after all is complete. Now, if I didn't mention this before, this works on almost every new device that Apple has taken out. So that includes iPad Air 2, iPad Air, iPad Mini 2, 3, and I believe 1, iPod Touch 5th generation, iPhone 4S, iPhone 5, 5C, 5S, 6, and 6 Plus. So those are the compatible devices, guys, just to let you know. Now let's check out our phone. As you can see, it rebooted already. So let's just slide to unlock, and you should have an application like this called Pangu. So try to zoom in. So it is this one, guys, the Pangu one. This one right here, you just want to tap on it. And there you go, guys. Your iDevice is jailbroken, although you have to do other steps to get Cydia, and I'll teach you how to do that right now. So stay tuned right now. To get Cydia, what you're gonna do is SSH your phone using a program called WinSCP. Sorry for the mispronouncing, guys. But you're going to be using that if you have a Windows computer, and if you have a Mac computer, you can search it up on the internet. If not, I'll leave a link for it in the description below. Also, I'd leave the Pangu stuff and some of the files that you would be needing to SSH your iDevice. And yeah, guys, so it'll be down below in the description. So after all of the jailbreaking stuff, you just want to exit out of Pangu, and what you want to do on your iDevice, you want to install Openssh. You just want to click the arrow and then hit install, and then this should be installing. As you can see, it is downloading. Now you need this in order to access the SSH through your computer and send the files for Cydia. So once all of this is done, guys, as you can see, you just want to hit cancel. And if it didn't stop, what you want to do, if, like I said, if it didn't stop properly, you just want to click on it and then hit install again, and it should be downloading. Never hurts to do it again, guys, so just in case. So we're almost done with the downloading, as you can see in the progress bar at the bottom. Now for the Cydia, you will be needing, like I said, 2 files, which I'll be showing you right now after this is done downloading. So here it is, guys. So for some reason mine didn't install the Openssh first time, so I had to reinstall it. So if you have to do that, go ahead. But as you can see, it says done, and the small letters. You just want to hit OK, and then you just want to leave aside your phone, iPod, iDevice, or whatever you guys are using to jailbreak. Now, after all of this, like I said, you want to open the WinSCP. So as you can see, it is this one right here. Now, with all of this, you want to do the login for your hostname. So let me just zoom in. Let me move my phone for a moment. For the hostname, it will be your IP address, which can be found in your phone. You go to settings, Wi-Fi, and then you would click the little I in which you're connected to your Wi-Fi network, and it should say right there on your phone. So I'll be typing in mine. So it's 192.168.1.146. Now it will be different for you guys since we all don't use the same Wi-Fi. And as you can see, you want to keep the FIDO protocol as SFTP. And for the port number, just leave it how it is. If it says 21 or 22, leave it how as it is. Now for the username, it's the same for everyone. So it would be root, all lowercase, and for the password, Alpine, which is spelled ALPINE, all lowercase as well. So I'll be typing that as well right now. Oops, I messed up. So as you can see, everything's ready to go, and you just want to hit login, and it will be searching for the host and everything. And then you just want to wait during this process. Let me put my phone back. Oops. Now you may get network error connection, that it timed out or something like that. So you just want to hit you would want to hit OK or let it redo again. But if this happens to you guys, like how I did, you just want to let it redo, so you get access to the SSH. So I'll be back once in the SSH. And so as you can see, guys, I am getting in. And okay, so when you get this warning, just press yes. It's nothing bad. And then after this, you should get access root to the to your phone's root. Now after that, so this is like your computer and this is your phone. So let me just make this bigger and move aside my phone for a bit. Okay, so from right here, as you probably may see, let me just zoom in, focus it. Okay, so from there, what you want to go is direct yourself to the root which you are already in, or if you're not, you would want to go into root and then from root you want to go into var, and from var you want to go into root. So yeah, guys. But if you're already here, that's cool. You're good to go. Now you're gonna be wanting to have these two files right here that I'm highlighting. These are the dep files that you need to put into your phone when you SSH. So I'm just gonna drag them, these two, and it says that they're gonna upload two files, and I'm just gonna press OK. And then this should be happening. Transferring the files, you can get to 56% uploading. But yeah, guys, it's already done. It's at 83 already. Then after that, you want to click this command, the command prompt, which you could also do with clerk T. So let's just do the command clerk T, and then oops, not that one. Yeah, it is this one. So you're gonna click OK. Okay, so now you're in the root. So once all that happens, if you do get it, just press OK. It's just authenticating yourself again. You would want to put these commands that I'll provide in the description below, so you guys could get it. But the first one would be this one, and when it says command 1, you're gonna copy it, and you're gonna paste and click execute. Now you will encounter some errors. So like when I first did it, I was kind of like scared and like almost at the same time like saying, oh well, what's wrong with this? This shouldn't be happening. But it should. And then you immediately want to do the other one. You're gonna copy it. You're gonna paste it. Pretty sure I did this twice already. I'm gonna click copy. I'm gonna paste. I'm gonna hit execute. Okay, so now once that is done and you've hit execute, like I did, I'm gonna bring back my phone and zoom out. What you want to do with your phone, now you would want to reboot your phone. So you're gonna hit the power off button, and you're gonna slide to power off. You could just click close right here. Click OK. And then just minimize that. And if this didn't complete, guys, try doing this again. Transferring the dep files back into your phone, into the SSH, and then do the commands again. But if it didn't work for you, yeah, you could try that again. If it didn't work for me, then I'll do it again as well until I get it. Now, when you reboot, you may or may not get Cydia, depending. You may have to try like 2 or 3 times, but eventually you will get Cydia on your jailbroken untethered phone or whatever iDevice you're trying to jailbreak. But if you don't have it, just try 3 or like 4 times, and then if you don't get it, try to do the commands again and enter the dep files again, as I did. But if it doesn't mind, after like my 4th try, I'll try to do the commands again, and I'll be back when I get Cydia. So right now I'm just gonna show that probably I don't, or I do have Cydia. So I'm gonna hit slide to unlock, and nope, we don't have Cydia. I'm gonna hit restart again. So yeah, guys, I'll be back once I have Cydia. Like I said, if this didn't work for you, try to redo the commands again and try re-adding the files into the root section. So if you guys forgot, you're gonna go to the slash, and after the slash, you're gonna go into var, and after var, you will have to go into root and then send the files to get Cydia. So I'll be back once that is done, guys. Okay, guys, so as I told you that if you don't restart it, if you don't hit Cydia, there's this way that you can get it. So, and I missed this step, so I'm sorry guys if I made you like do some extra steps that you weren't supposed to do. But you were gonna have to go to the Pangu app, and then what you want to do is go into your manager and go to remove and delete the Pangu app. Hey guys, so as I told you that if you didn't get Cydia, you would have to restart again. Well, there was this actually another step, but I forgot to tell you guys, so I'm sorry if I made you do more than one step that you were supposed to do. But yeah, so what you want to do in this step is click on Pangu, the Pangu app, when you jailbroke. You want to go into the manager section, and then you're probably going to be the updates, but go into the remove section, and then scroll down until you find Pangu. So you're gonna actually delete the app Pangu, which is actually really weird, but it's helped other people get some Cydia to their phones and their iDevices. So you can click yes, and then you're gonna let the process go through. But yeah, guys, this will eventually lead you to the Cydia application. And once the Cydia application is on my phone and ready to use and explain to you guys after that step, because there is another actual step to get the Cydia and to get tweaks. So I'll be back once this is done. Now apparently on my iDevice, it's frozen, so this will probably happen to most of you all. I'm guaranteed that it will. So you just want to click it, double click, and exit out, then go back into the manager section. Oops, go into the remove, find Pangu, as I said. Here we go. Yes. And so you see this, it's stuck. So what you just want to do is exit out and don't double click, and go back and hit force to remove. So once I clean it up, you're gonna have to hit respring. So it's gonna reboot your device, or respring I should say. But yeah, this should actually work. So as you can see, it is rebooting. I don't know what was going on my computer, but yeah guys, so here you go. You're gonna hit slide to unlock, and then hopefully you have Cydia. So as you can see, I have Cydia, so that's a thumbs up right there guys. I'm really happy to get Cydia on my iPhone 5. But yeah, hopefully guys, you know how to jailbreak your iDevice. But there's actually one more step to get Cydia working with tweaks. So what you want to do is tap on Cydia, tap Cydia, and it will say preparing file system. Eventually this does take a time. It may take up like 5 or less minutes. But yeah, so I'll just be leaving it like this so you guys can see what it does during the process of preparing the file system. But yeah, so as you can see in parentheses, it says Cydia will exit when complete. So I'll just leave it right there guys, so you guys can see the whole preparing file system. So as you can see now, it rebooted my iDevice, so that's supposed to happen. And as you can hear, I heard the little ding sound, so it should be starting up. For example, like right now. So you just want to unlock it, tap on Cydia, and there you go, guys. Cydia on iOS 8.1. There's this like huge red box. It's just saying that some of the tweaks are not compatible yet with iOS 8, but many developers, guys, are making tweaks for the iPhone 5, iPhone 5s, especially the 6 Plus, since they have to optimize it big. Oops. But yeah, guys. So once all of this is done, you will need one last step, guys, just to get Cydia working really well. I know this is kind of a really funky, weird jailbreak, but it's because it's like a beta version for developers only. But why not just get it now if it's like they released it for the public? But yeah, I'm pretty sure Pangu will eventually take out a more stabilized jailbreak for iOS 8.1. So for the last step, what you want to do is go on the search. Oops, let that reload first, I guess. So you're gonna go hit the search and type in substrate or Cydia substrate. So as you can see, the red one, the last one, Cydia substrate. I hit that, and then as you can see, verified to work on iOS 2.0 through 8.1. So this will let you use some of the tweaks, because there are some tweaks, guys, to use with the iPhone 5. Later on, I will make top 10 tweaks. So you just want to hit install, confirm, and just let it do the whole process of installing it. So it's almost complete. It's reloading the data, and hopefully it will say respring. Yeah, respring. So once this is done rebooting, guys, you have a fully functional iPhone, iDevice, whatever you're jailbreaking on iOS 8.1 Untethered Jailbreak. If you have any problems, don't hesitate to ask, guys. Like I said, any problem, something that you're not sure of, concerned. By the way, jailbreaking is legal now, so it is protected by the government. So don't be thinking that this is some illegal stuff. No, it's not, guys. You guys could even search it for yourself. If you guys are wondering to know how do you take a jailbreak, all I want is a like on the video. And yeah, guys, and well, let me know in the comment section below that you want to know how to take a jailbreak off out of a jailbroken iDevice. So when you go to the Apple Store and you're trying to go fix something, Apple won't find out that you even jailbroke your phone, because once you do a fully restored, Apple won't know that you had a jailbroken phone. So thanks for watching, guys, and as always, like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys have a great, wonderful day, night, evening, whenever you're watching this video, and peace.